Hi, my name is Karolis from Charles Bread, and today I'm going to show you how to make a starter. So before you can bake bread, you need a sourdough starter. It's a leavener without commercial yeast, and it's very simple to make. So let's begin. We're going to use 3 different types of flour: white, wholemeal, and rye. And it's just 1 part water to 1 part flour. So we start with the water. 3 cups of water, can be lukewarm or cold. And now a cup of each flour. So white, wholemeal. The wholemeal and rye, they tend to be more active because they've got more nutrients. And once it's in, just give it a little stir. So you get like a thick batter consistency. Like so. And then we'll just leave it for 4 days. And each day we'll give it a little stir to put in some oxygen and let it ferment. And make sure you leave the lid a bit open, don't close it fully, again to let in some oxygen and airflow. Hi, so this is day 2 of your starter sourdough. You'll notice it's got a little bit of bubble formation, so it's a good sign that it's working. So now we're just going to mix it. Like so. Lid on top loosely, and tomorrow we're going to mix it again. Hi, so this is day 3. You'll see that it's developed a bit more bubbles and there's a light cheesy smell. Again, we're just going to mix it with a whisk, and you notice it's breaking down a lot by now, so you're well on your way. One more day tomorrow and you'll be ready. We're just going to mix it again. You'll see that it keeps on developing each day and you get more bubbles. So grab your whisk and you'll notice it's broken down the gluten and the protein a lot now. It's more liquid. Like so. Lid on loosely. And tomorrow will be the last day before the feed. You'll notice that it's got quite a ripe smell by now. Something like champagne once it hits your nose, and a lot more bubbles will have formed on the top as well. So again, just mix it. You'll almost be like liquid now, just broken down. And tomorrow we're going to feed it, and then you'll be ready to make your sourdough. You're going to feed your sourdough, and we're going to throw away most of it away. So we're only going to take a cup and then feed it with some flour and some water. And this is where you can choose to go with a white sourdough using just white flour, or you can turn it into a rye sourdough using rye flour. So let's begin with a cup of water. It's just 8 ounce. Cup of sourdough. And 2 cups of flour. So this is just basically food for the starter, because it's broken down all the protein and it's hungry now. So feed it. And by tomorrow it should be quite bubbly and alive and ready to use for your sourdough bread. And I mean, this is enough to make 2 loaves, and the little bit that's left, that will be your mother dough. So you refresh it and you can use it the day after again. So again, you're just gonna get a thick batter. Like so. There we go. So this starter was the original one you started 4 days ago, and we've refreshed it now with 1 cup of water, 2 cups of flour. So this is enough for 3 loaves, but you need to leave 1 portion. Leave it in the fridge overnight, and it should end up looking a bit more liquid and developed. And then you can feed it, and it's the same process over again. And it can last 2 weeks in the fridge without being fed.